Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add a zoom effect on a video on CapCut. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech, so let's get in. Now what you need to do is open CapCut app in your phone and wait for it to load. Once it is loaded, what you need to do is hit a new project, and then it's going to open up a gallery from where you need to select a video that you want to add and a photo which you want to add an effect to. So for example, I want to add this video, then select this video and then hit back, and from there hit on the photos from the top right, and then hit on this picture on the top right. All right, and then select it. So we have two things in our CapCut editor. One is the video and the other one is the picture that we have added. All right, so now how you can add a zoom effect in your CapCut in your video is what you need to do is just place the just place the timeline from the start of the video, and then what you need to do is just zoom in a little bit, and then hit on this diamond icon right next to the redo button, and then it's gonna add a section over here, and then what you need to do is come to the middle of the video and then just zoom in a little bit, and then just you guys can zoom in a little bit, then it's going to add a section in the middle of the video, and then also you guys can add another action, another effect at the end of the this video. So for example, like this. All right, and then as you guys can see, it has automatically added this section in our picture, right? So now if it doesn't work, if it doesn't automatically work, what you guys can do is hit on the diamond icon right next to the left to the redo button, and then you guys can add an effect like a zoom in effect in your picture. Alright, now what you guys can do is just select the resolution 1080p, and then hit on the export button, and then it's gonna start exporting the whole project that you have created in your CapCut, and then it's gonna save to your gallery. All right, so guys, that is how you can, if you guys can apply a zoom in effect in your CapCut in your video on a CapCut. Okay, so guys, for the course of this video, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.